might be one of the prettiest Royal Oaks. Now here's the problem. After it was fully serviced, after we charged him, he says, hey Chris, the watch isn't working.
I like to party. We're making good time here.
Just kind of slide it all the way up.
Is it okay if I just take video?
A little vlog?
Little vlog?
Yeah.
I'll keep the voices out of it.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, it's off.
Awesome.
Man, I noticed your subscriber count has like flown up.
Our.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like 180 and now it's like 197.
Yeah, we
Holy
almost 100 subs this month already.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
I can't comment anymore.
Why not?
I don't know why. I can only like. I can't find the comment section. I can show you on my phone.
That's weird.
It is weird. I scroll, I see all Shake's comments and stuff.
Oh, Shake comments?
Well, he writes the
The description.
yeah. But I can't comment.
All right, Maddie, you want to hold that some? It's a little warm.
This side?
Yeah.
Oh, we're pulling the whole thing.
The whole entire
You got.
one shot.
Yep.
Oh.
Now you got to get the brackets.
Yeah, I was just gonna say there's one thing I'm forgetting.
Dos más.
Dos más, baby.
Dos más.
And not dos más.
There is.
Yeah, she warmed up quick. I wasn't running her that long. That's nice right there.
Yeah, that's nice. Alright. Just hold it because
Yeah,
I might have to hold it.
I got it.
Just the bracket.
Yep.
I might have to adjust by hand.
Let me get it down.
Wow.
Give it another round. So no scratch.
You don't need it. You don't need it.
No, that we're gonna lose.
Oh, your bottom shield.
The fucking diaper.
The diaper.
Oopsies.
Boy, it's gonna rub when we go in. No, wait, you.
Alright.
That's nice. Alright, so you want me to support, right? So you can get this
I
side?
can do the side box if you're holding it. Watch out. So put this way, don't shine. Alright.
All right, so we got the exhaust on. We're gonna drop off a watch real quick, a little delivery, and then we're gonna listen to the exhaust. But before we do anything, we're gonna take a look at what's on my wrist, which might be one of the prettiest Royal Oaks, well, said better, Royal Oak Offshores I've ever seen. And I don't say that to blow smoke up anybody's ass. This is a beauty. 44 millimeter Royal Oak Offshore Summer, limited to 500 pieces if I'm not mistaken. Discontinued. Boy, oh boy. It's a nice one. And what do we have here? We have a Breitling Navitimer right here. Customer, my buddy Nate, he jumped in the water and got it wet. Basically ruined it. So he had us service the watch recently, a couple of weeks ago. Now here's the problem. He texted me about a week or so after we gave him the watch back, after it was fully serviced, after we charged him. He says, hey Chris, the watch isn't working. So I troubleshot it with him. He couldn't get it moving. It actually wouldn't work. The time wouldn't work. So I said, all right, I'm gonna come pick it up personally. I'm gonna take it back to the watchmaker. We're gonna get this figured out. Fortunately, it was just a screw that was loose. These BO1 movements on these 46 millimeter Navitimers, they're big movements. They're pretty robust. Screw just needed to be tightened down. So we're gonna hand deliver this. We're not charging the client anything. We hand picked it up. We hand got it looked at by the watchmaker by hand, and we're hand delivering it back to him all within 24 hours after him addressing the problem with us. And I think that's a really important thing when it comes to dealers that are watching here or people that are looking to work with a good dealer. Here's the thing. If the dealer's cheap and has the cheapest prices, he's not going to pick up the phone. They're not going to troubleshoot problems, and they're definitely not going to fix problems for free. And I say that because I know a lot of people in the industry, and I don't mean that negatively, but it's really easy to compete against when you understand that the client puts food on your table. So we pick up the phone and we provide service, and we want to make sure everyone's happy. So let me deliver this, and then we'll take a listen to the exhaust that we just installed on the GT3. Okay, let's get some exhaust note going here. The first step is getting out of the car. Not the easiest. I thought I wanted these bucket seats. Yeah, that's what I thought. I just lost my phone getting out of the car. By the way, it's like 115 degrees on the heat index right now. I'm sweating just standing outside in the shade, which is pretty pathetic. But hopefully the exhaust note shot was okay. The camera is struggling because it's so hot and it's so bright. I am very happy with the GMG center pipe. It does sound good. I do have the cats back on the car so I can pass emissions. After I pass emissions, who knows? Yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you like this sort of content, you can see how it works when it comes to me delivering watches and my thoughts on the exhaust note of the GT3. Appreciate you guys. I hope everybody's staying cool, having fun. I'll catch you next time.